As a buyer in today's real estate market, what makes a home truly affordable? Hi, I'm Melissa Elliott with Elliott Real Estate Pros and eXp Realty. With affordability being the biggest challenge for home buyers, buyers are looking for properties that cater to both their lifestyle needs and financial concerns. Affordability isn't just about the price tag on the home, but also foreseeing future expenses with the home, such as repairs, property taxes, home insurance, and maintenance costs. Also, the mortgage. Understanding how a mortgage fits into your lifestyle's overall financial picture. A rule of thumb is that your monthly mortgage payment should not exceed 28% of your monthly income. Then there's location, location, location. The neighborhood you choose can impact your affordability. Sometimes having a longer commute can mean more home for your money, but also higher expenses with commuting. And let's not forget about energy. Homes that are more efficient with energy-saving features might have a higher upfront cost, but can save money in the long run in utility bills. But in the end, affordability isn't just about the numbers and features. The most affordable home is the one that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle needs, and that is going to give you the most value. It is not just about finding a place to live, but also securing a foundation for a future and building your net worth over time. Whether you are a first-time homebuyer or looking for a replacement home, connect with us so that we can help you find a home that fits your life and budget. Melissa Elliott, exceptional service, outstanding results.